Hey, what is up? It's Blue Frog. This video might be a little strange, bro. I'm trying to record it on my tablet because, dude, when I'm trying to download stuff with my phone, it keeps doing something weird. So I'm like, let me try doing a video on the tablet and see if it acts weird with that. But, yo, dude, you have no idea trying to record something with this big ass tablet. But, anyways, we got 2 boxes of 2024 Bowman Chrome Megabox. They're super awesome. We're going to hit something super amazing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I give away free cards only if there was a way for you all to get a hold of me to say, hey, I want some of these cards for free. You got to subscribe, though, and that's free as well. But we got to start with the Switchblade. Open these up all dangerous. Oh man, this is gonna suck doing it on my tablet, bro. Oh man, the things I do. So on these babies, you get 35 total cards. You get five card packs, and then which basically don't have anything super special in them. And then you get 2 super duper packs. You can get autos. Says you better keep your eye out, sucker. Whoa, styrofoam? Weird, bro. I've never seen... it's nice that they do that because you don't want your cards flopping around in there, but maybe that means there's something super special in here. Let me see if the other one's got styrofoam in it as well. Yeah, they only had these 2 boxes at Fred Meyer. That's where I try to get my cards. I know they're just retail, but I get my gas points that way as well. These are $45 a box. Which, yep, styrofoam. Weird. When I was watching other dudes breaking, I did not see any of them with styrofoam. Maybe it's special, maybe it's not. That's the inside. Don't know why you always got to show the inside of the box because it ain't like I'm breaking for anybody other than myself and for you guys that want these cards for free. So there's your 2 Megabox packs and then your regular packs. This is so awkward, dude. I gotta like lean way over and shit. But all right, let's see what we get. We're looking for, I guess, the Paul Skeens is a good one. For some reason, I always gotta smell the cards because every once in a while you get these cards that smell so good. They smell like money. We got, oh, dude, this is so awkward. We got Josh Jung. Oh, dude, what do you know? Paul Skeens rookie, bro. Booyah. Boom, baby. Yes, that is how we do, bro. You ask and you shall receive. It looks minty fresh. Oh, yeah, that's mint, bro. Centered well. No problems with it. Nice. What else should we ask for? A Mickey Mantle? Yeah, we want a Mickey Mantle rookie card, bro. Let's see what else this box has in store for us. Oh, let me get it to where it's... We got Francisco Lind... And, dude, I do not collect baseball cards. So I don't even know who's good and who's not anymore. We got Sal Frelick rookie. And Parker Met. Dude, that's 4 rookie. Oh, I guess that dude's not a rookie. 3 rookies? Yeah, man. All right. That's a good first pack. Let's see if we can get a Mickey Mantle rookie that we just asked for. Corbin Carroll. We got Todd, way off, bro, way off. We got a Tyler, rookie. Manny Machado, he was good back in, well, he probably might still be good. We got Wyatt, rookie. And Corey Seager. I'm just going to throw them all over here. I'm going to separate these up. Like I say, man, if you want any of these cards, like, comment, and subscribe, and get a hold of me if you want me to mail you some cards for free. Because that's the way I roll, bro. We got Weiler Abreu. Jordan Westberg, rookie. AJ, rookie. Ooh, we got a Shohei Ohtani. Everson Pierre, rookie. And the only way I knew that we wanted the Paul Skeens is because I watched the video that said we wanted it. Or I wouldn't even known that much about this, bro. Yeah, I open non-sport. Dude, I'll bust anything, I guess, anymore. I did some football. I got contenders. I'm trying to get that video up so I can give you guys those cards. Topps Chrome basketball, all the goodness, bro. We got Davis, rookie. Jack, rookie. Andy Rodriguez, rookie. Royce Lewis. And Jose Ramirez. All right, last pack of the 5. And then we got the 2 super duper packs. We got Nick, rookie. We got Kyler Harrison, rookie. Paul Goldschmidt, rookie. Oh, not a rookie, I mean. Mr. Garcia. Lane Thomas. Oh, my God. People would quit fucking calling my phone, bro. Anyways, moving on to the Mega, and we're going to get us, we need a Paul Skeens autograph. Yes, we are going. We want the Pauls. Whoa, those are so colorful. I like it. We got Vladimir Asensio, first Bowman. I don't think it's a rookie, though. We got Beltre. We got his first Bowman. We got one. Well, let's see at the back. Anything special? I don't think so. Those are cool looking cards, though. Juan Baez. First Bowman. Ooh, we got a Bryce Harper. I remember back when he was the shit. And then we got Mr. Jazz Jr. Yeah, those are some sparkly cards, bro. But nothing, we didn't get no numbered card. That means it's got to be in this next pack. It's got to be in this one. You got them cheaters that'll like open the, oh, we got this. Like, no, I'm a cheater, bro. We got Caleb Durbin, first Bowman. Ooh, we got a Jung-Hoo Lee rookie. Oh, dude, we got a fucking rookie autograph. of Yamamoto, bro, to 150. Let's go. Yeah, dude. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Woo! Shake and bake. Yeah, man. Fire, bro. See the 150 in gold right there. Dude, that's like, that's slight, just barely slightly off center, but other than that, freaking mint, bro. Yes. Let's go. That's how we do. You ask and you shall receive. See what the back looks like. I better throw that in a freaking... Yeah, I didn't have my sleeves ready or nothing, dude. Yeah, man. Oh, come on. There we go. Nice and easy. Woo! Yeah, baby. We got us a Yamamoto rookie auto. Yes. Yes, sir. And we got our Paul Skeens. We didn't get our Mickey Mantle yet. But yeah, I am not complaining about that. We got... Whew, I know I'm a little frazzled after that last one, bro. We got a rookie of that dude and Corbin Carroll. Oh, man. Whew. Yeah, we did it. Once again, we did it with retail. All right, let's see if we can get our Paul Skeens auto. Or a case hit. Dude, I don't even know what a case hit would look like in these with these cards. Tristan. Johan. Rookie. Julio. Dude, I don't even want to try and say his name. He's a rookie, though. In Can Zone rookie. Huh. Oh, man, I'm so excited. We just hit some gold, bro. We hit some gold. And gold is at an all-time high, just in case y'all haven't been watching the silver and gold prices. And yes, I stacked lots of silver, bro. We got Curtis Mead, rookie. Colt, rookie. Austin Riley. Hurston, rookie. Gavin Williams, rookie. Yeah, we needed something to put us on one of them breaker videos. We're like, this dude just got the best shit ever. We got Ronnie, rookie. Henry Davis, rookie. Mike Trout. Too bad it wasn't his rookie. We got this dude's rookie. And Hunter Goodman, rookie. Oh, I certainly hope this video is able to get put onto. Yeah, there's our Yamamoto rookie that's not the autograph. Different card, as you can see. Nice. Thank you, Mr. Yamamoto. Arigato. We got Zach. We got Matsui's rookie. Whoa, dude, look at his shirt. That's a crazy shirt. Does that say San Diego? It looks all weird, though. Oh, sorry if I was giving y'all the glare. I'm not paying attention here. We got Nolan. Jackson Holiday. I think that's a good rookie card, bro. We got Mookie Betts. Juan Soto. Another Jung Huli Otto. Evan Carter rookie. Tyler Black rookie. And 2 more mega super awesome packs. Oh, come on, baby. Let's do this. You guys ready? Oh, there's something in that one. Maybe we'll do that one later because there's something. And I wasn't trying to cheat either, but I saw something. We got Jalvin Aries, first Bowman. We got Braylon's first Bowman. We got this dude, Arjun. Dude, I don't know, bro. I don't know how to say his name. We got Jazz Jr. Super duper card. And the Hurston rookie card. All right, here we go. Let's see what we got, bro. We got Jordan Lawler, rookie. Oh, I was going to say, dude, that looked like fucking Michael Jordan, bro, when he was playing ball. But that's not Michael Jordan. I'm going to go from the back just because we got a Bryce Harper. We got, dude, the centering on that looks like it's way off, bro. But all right, here we go. Oh, dude, look at that. Eduardo Herrera, first Bowman. That's cool. Wonder if it's got to be numbered. That's the back. Dude, I do not see a number on this card. Did I miss it? Is it? Oh, it is on there. Dude, I totally missed it, bro. It's in this bottom corner where my finger is. It's 120 out of 199. It is so hard. Oh, there you go. You can barely see it with the reflection. Yep, that's out of 199. So, yeah, by far, dude, the best hit of the day. The Yamamoto rookie to 150. So fresh. Love it, dude. All right, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you want some cards for free, and I will mail you some cards. All right, catch y'all later on the next one. Peace.